Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. It is summertime here in Texas. I'm sure it's summer for a lot of you, and there's no better way to spend the summer afternoon than crafting and designing an album for Country Craft Creations using a design team package I received from them featuring simple stories, simple vintage linen market collection. It's a beautiful, summery, fun collection, so stay tuned and take a peek inside, and there will be a tutorial for this here on my YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe and click on the bell so that you'll be notified of every video that I upload. Stay tuned.
When the morning comes, gotta seize the day. Gonna rise and shine, don't let it slip away. Feeling the beat, gotta move my feet. I won't back down, gonna make my dreams complete. Challenges ahead, but I face them all with a fire inside. Gonna stand tall, bright since they got me on my way. I'll dance through the night, just like the break of day. Rise and shine, feel the rhythm in your soul. Let the music take control. Gotta reach your goal. Upbeat and energetic, we're dancing in the light. Rise and shine.
Okay, so this is a 7x9 album with a unique or a different type of page design on the inside. I love how it turned out with this beautiful paper collection, as I said, from Country Craft Creations, and you can order it, and I will link it down below in the description box. And it is called Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Linen Market. It's a beautiful collection with these beautiful flowers and other imagery. I've named this Sunny Days. This is from their sticker sheet. I have a lifted up, popped up element card here, different papers from the collection here on the back. It has about 1.5 inches spine, I believe. Let me look at my notes. Uh, yes, 1.5 inch spine. And as I said, it's 7x9. And it is tied closed with this ribbon that is also available from Country Craft Creations. And I will list all the product below. I do have it designed with the lay flat album cover using the craft artisan cardstock, and then I double matted this with my colors in the brown eyes and the ecru. So it just kind of makes this all pop. I think really pretty album cover. Okay, so when you open it up on the inside, the first thing you see is the inside cover here has a flap element with a pocket. I used a lot of the ephemera that came with the collection. I will link that again down below, and the stickers, some chipboard elements, and different scraps of the paper. I used a large punch that I had in my stash. There are punches available at Country Craft Creations. I will also link those. I tucked in this little booklet I made, and there will be a tutorial for this here on my YouTube channel on how to make the album and going over some of the patterning of the pages, and then I will give you information on how to decorate it. So I did use tag elements in here and made some extra tags. We have a lot of the scraps of paper turned into photo mats, and then photo mats out of cardstock with some different of the paper designs. So I just love the different elements that you can get in this collection. This flips open. We have a pocket here out of a 4x6 card from the collection, another tag, some more mats. This is a pocket made out of the cardstock and some of the patterned paper with stickers, the elements, some of the ribbon. A junk journal treatment I love to do is using some gift wrap tape and then inking it to make it look old. And of course, up here at the top, we have some more of the tags that come with the collection. And I just use scraps of paper for the tab or ribbon, faux ribbon pulls, and the mini tiny attacher staples. So this album actually only has one page set. It's a large page set here with a lot of flips and flaps. I did not do it on mine, but you could actually attach under your pattern paper a ribbon and tie the whole page set together. If you don't like the gapping, I don't have a problem with it, and I tie the album closed so there it is contained within that. But here on this front side, we have a flap. It's held closed with a magnet. We have a chipboard element here. This paper comes this way with the stitching. It's just a lot of fun, this paper collection. Here I have pieced together some of this. So we have places for photos here. And here we have a tuck spot out of one of the elements. Some of the scraps of the cardstock created a little photo mat. And then this photo mat here has a tag attached and a scrap of paper. So I just tried to make some different layering looks to this because I really love how that design looks. So this page opens up, and here we have more layering with the tags, the stickers, and the elements that I received. And then I have a large photo mat attached back here. You can certainly get your photo in there easily. Here where this ribbon is, you just lift it up, and we have a fun pop-up page, photo mat page. Stickers here, different pieces of the pattern paper, and then a sticker down here that says smile. So this is really fun. It just closes up real easy, held closed with a magnet. You push that up so you can see when you lift it up where this ribbon is, it just all pops up so you can put a photo in each section. Lots of fun. We have 2 of those in this book. Here we have another pocket where I did some more of the paper scraps, some stickers, the elements. Here I have another brown eyes photo mat, also one made out of cardstock with the yellow paper. And then we have this booklet here I designed. You just used cardstock, patterned the front and the back, added some layering elements here, and another tag. Flip this over, and this is where the main page is. This has a sleeve pocket, so inside that we have this mat here with the adorable truck, the Simple Life, some of the pattern paper, little journaling spot here. You could attach a photo, flip it over, another photo could go here, and some more journaling if you wanted to. So that's really fun. That just slips into this side pocket here of this page. There's only one of those because there's only one page in the album. Flip this over, we have another pocket, some more scraps of paper. This is the actual piecing of the paper, a little scrap here. And in this pocket, I have a large photo mat made out of some of the patterned paper. Easy breezy sticker there that tucks in there. Another photo mat out of some cardstock and the patterned paper. This one is pieced with patterned paper. It is also out of cardstock. We have one smaller one with the lemon paper. And then I just tucked this element in here because I just thought it looked pretty in there. Okay, here is our next pop-up page. I left this, my colors and the brown eyes photo mat loose behind these tag pocket that I made. Has some different elements, some layering here with stickers, and then this of course lifts up, and then we have another set here of the 4 pop-ups, stickers here at the top and at the bottom, and a cluster of heart stickers down here. So this is just really fun to have your photos this way. And then we've opened this up back. Then we have a tag closure here that's held tied shut with the twine that you can get at Country Craft Creations. This opens up, very large area for a couple of photos, some more smaller photo mats tucked behind some of the tags here at the top, and pull this down at the bottom. We have 2 more tags here at the bottom. I mean a tag and photo mats here. So this just closes up and ties shut with the twine, and I have a sticker element here. This page here has another large photo mat behind a grouping of elements on a scrap of the paper. Has it all glued together, a ladybug sticker there. And then this page is just pieced. I left it plain, the last page here of the elements. And then here's the back inside cover. I used this pattern paper. This is the paper that I cut down, and then I added the happy sticker. Then we have a pocket here with 2 tags in the top with the paper ribbons. This tag is attached down onto the pocket, an element here, and a chipboard element. And then this opens up to give us 2 more pockets. This one has the sticker from the sticker sheet. Is the measuring tape. Some more of the elements. Fussy cut these flowers and this doily out of a journaling card. Then in here we have a patterned paper photo mat, a large one, another one out of the pieced pattern papers. It looks pieced, looks like a quilt. And then another tag. And here we have another double pocket. I added some stickers here, a sticker element. In this pocket we have a little booklet. It is a journaling card folded in half. And we have a cardstock mat with pattern paper pieced on it. Put that booklet back in there. We have a tag here with paper banner ribbons and some twine. And then this is another element that I just tucked in. And behind in the last pocket, a large pattern paper photo mat. I love using the pattern paper scraps to make the photo mats around the corners to make them have a more finished touch. This is also a pattern paper photo mat. And then a tag that I made with a tag punch I have and several layers of the paper scraps and a large sticker that's folded over. So that's the album. I will have a tutorial, so check back for that. I'll have that as shortly after this one publishes. And of course, you just tie it closed with the ribbon. Fun, summery album, sunny days using simple story, simple vintage linen market, currently available at countrycraftcreations.com. So check out their online store, or if you're lucky enough to be in Utah, stop by the retail store. And as always, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much, and check back soon for another tutorial. Bye-bye.